One. Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, I just want the disclaimer I get.
Recording in progress.
Hi, this is Mehajabi Nyadiki. I am not a SEBI registered person. The intention of my sessions is purely to spread awareness on stock market candle strategies and should be considered only for educational purposes. Any stocks discussed should not be considered as a recommendation for buy or sell. Explanations are only for concept illustration purposes. All the trades taken by individuals are at their risk. I will not be responsible for any of your losses or profits. Thank you. Yeah, so we can get into the topic now. Fine. So, see, this concept is we will strictly stick to the sharing shorting purposes of this for the purpose of this video. Later, I can clear your doubts or anything that is sustaining to your trades. Okay, let us start. See, what I will do, I'm just telling what I will implement. Maybe that might suit you or that might not suit you. That is, you can take your call. See, recently I have posted some trades, right? Like we should do it based on our candle logic. So this is just to show you. I have downloaded this from where is this? My Angel, this one. Uh, Only this one. Can you see? This 3-4 days, whatever I have taken trades, I have shown it here so that you will know what all the other things that are involved. Whenever you take a trade, right? So it will have that brokerages, GST, exchange service tax, turnover tax, SEBI charges, stamp duty, STT, other charges, IPFT charges. So this will all come up to a lot. Okay, got it? So, so this and all things you need to keep in mind. Nice amounts that will this will eat. The GST brokerages, all these charges are there, right? It will eat into your budget. So actually, if it shows 1974.2 rupees, can you see this number? Here only, this is what nearly 100 rupees or something they will cut. That is why I will always tell, if you see this and okay, the difference is this orange one. Okay. Yeah, see, 1974, 1883. So 100 rupees they will cut for almost every trade. Okay. See, 400, 318, 900, 1900, 1698. Means 200 they have cut. Maybe a little bit profit more. The even cuttings also will be more. So just be careful because that all depends on the difference between your sale value and buy value. Is this clear?
I think that depends on quantity also we purchase.
Yes, yes. See, quantity is, yeah, quantity, the sell value and buy value, it become difference with the quantity only, right? So, yeah. So this is all about something which you need to know before doing any shorting.
So
So that,
Angel one, this brokerage is fixed, ma'am, like for 20 buy
yes,
and
yes,
20 sell.
correct. Means for buy is 20 rupees, for sell it is 20 rupees. So total it will come for brokerage 40 rupees if you are doing shorting for Angel.
Okay. I think if it's a lesser quantity, it will be some
No,
percentage.
whatever quantity it is, means that much negligible quantity if you take, you will not get any profit also. Okay.
Right. No,
That,
for
that will
initially
not work
for
out.
yeah,
Correct.
yeah.
For shorting or intraday, that will not work out. So that is where I will always tell you should have proper quantity and this management. Mm. Then only
Okay.
you can see this profits. I will hide this because this is almost zero, right, for every thing. So I will hide this. Even I will hide this exchange service tax because it is because it picture will be clear. Yeah, now you can
Right.
see all are short trades only. No long trades here. No, okay, shorting or that one you are asking. I am thinking about intraday or something like. Okay, that we will come to that. This is all on the same day. That is what you can think. Okay, shortings or
Okay.
long trades. We will think. Now we will discuss about this part like shorting. Okay, how to take that trades? Where is the No. See, I don't want more people here. That's why I have not posted it there because see, the topic will get diverted. I just want to post this on internet. So yeah, that is where I was thinking of sticking to topic also. Okay. Yeah. So what and all I have done shortings. I will tell you. Somewhere I have copied this. Yeah. So I guess if go is this is all yeah, this one is GRSE. It is 2179 to 2189. Yes. Let me tell you GRSE. On daily chart, if you see, okay, that time this was in full downtrend. See, after this solid, this one, this candle, this sort of candles will come. Okay. So, I was following this on 15 minutes chat. Is this day or this day? I don't remember it. Let us go when we have done it. Uh, this is 17th December, right? So if you go to 17th December, yeah, see this one, the moment you see that 15-minute candle, right? See here or anywhere for that matter, general, you will know that it is going to be a downward day today, that day. And another thing what you need to know is scope. What is scope? Scope is something which we have to decide based on this NSE. See, first sector should be, there is that index from NSE. Yeah. So the morning when you come, okay, you will know if you say here, if you see this, it will come full. Right. First, you have to see whether it is an up day or down day at 9:30 or 9:45. Then, when you see all that time, it will know which sector is weak or which sector is red. Yesterday, which is 19th December, all turned green. So, I posted in that some of the group that it is not a day for shorting. Okay. That is how you will decide whether it is day for shorting or it is day for long, means intraday. And also when you see a strong many of the greens, that day you should decide that you will go for intraday. And if you see many of the reds, you should decide that you will go for shorting. That is one technique. Okay. And also, previous day only, you will short out 3-4 stocks for intraday and 3-4 stocks for shorting. Okay. Imagine you have shortlisted 3 stocks for intraday and 3 stocks for shorting. You will keep this in a, you will make it a watch list like this. Okay. Then what you will do based on this sector, like this sector indication, you will go to that sector, and then you will try that stocks which are strong, which has strong chances of going down, down or up. Okay. For example, we will see that yesterday that alcohol brands were like jumping, right? Like if Bargo. Then you should go to sector wise. No, 1 minute. Here you can select healthcare. Something was flying, right? Like yesterday. So yeah, sector wise you have to select one. Once I will tell you like how I got into shorting of this if Bargo. Okay, that if Bargo, if you see it in daily chart, see from so many days it is struggling here only. Okay, and it never came almost half of this. Okay, see this. My mouse has some issue, so you just think that this is half, correct? Half of it. And there are chances that it may go up or go down. So when you see this monthly, it is like even from 1 month, it is like it is going this way only. There are high chances that it is undecided. Means we can't decide the direction when this is particularly like this. And this may turn into, see here is one doji, this may turn into a green candle at the end of the month or weak candle at red candle at the end of the month. So here we are not able to decide. Go to weekly. Weekly, it is somewhat clear. See, this 3 downs and it is started moving up. Actually, if it closes above this, right, that is a strong, that may be the, means if this candle is bigger than this, okay, then it is a strong uptrend. But still it is not yet decided. So that time, even we need to see why it is suddenly started this, correct? So there was actually big red candles. Idea is that it should go down. But why suddenly it started this one? Because there may be, one reason is there may be a trigger, and another reason is there may be like see, this is cup and half the way it has come and it is again started moving up. That may be the reason. See here cup and it has started exactly this one, and it is like lower this one it will form, right? Like that it is forming. Then if you see to that stock edge, oh, not this one, right? Yeah. So stock edge, if you go and you see this, if Bargo, Bagro, right? Okay. There is a trigger. See, from 2-3 days, you have to sort it out with the date, and from 2-3 days, you see that what this strong amid signals, and there is something going on in this sector, means in this stock especially. See, analyst perspective shifts amid strong financial this one. Then sees if you see that some trigger also is there yesterday. Next market cycle covered call writings and something has changed. Writings and outstanding capital returns, this one. Even if you don't see any of these news also, your candles will tell you in 15 minutes. See, if you see this, in 15 minutes yesterday, you can make out that, see, first candle where you have drawn that line, right? You see everything stood above that line. And this was a signal where, see here, this was still a downtrend. So actually this stock was shortlisted for downtrend, if you see. Correct? If yesterday, if you see this was a reverse bullet. Can you see?
Right.
Yes. Correct. So that's where I will tell, wait for the signals, clear signals on the next day. See, especially when it is at the that line which we draw. Clear? Then 15 minutes. See, if this is the 15 minutes candle, it is full red. It will misguide you. Correct? Full red and big wick.
Right.
But it is not a confirmation since body is small and wick is big. Body is small and the trend is already at the line, at this line. So what we need to do? We have to wait for another candle. The moment it crosses, try to cross this, means this line on the 15-minute chart, this wick. High of that candle. And also see, it many times, this one even touched and it didn't go. Even this one, it touched and it didn't go. The moment you see this, correct? The moment you see this, the trend is upward, means maybe it will go up. Correct?
So that's the first candle we have to focus, or
For first candle, it will give you a sense. From that time, you have to analyze. If it is a clear trend, you can go ahead. But till here, it is not a clear trend. That's what I'm
oh,
saying. That is where
okay.
I will say that after seeing the like stockage and trigger or these candles, if you even if you follow the clear candles also, you will know that this is not the maybe down day for this. Correct? Because that lines you have to draw it. Otherwise, you will be in dilemma. See, the line you saw draw, that is where it is clear, right? Otherwise, how you will know that it is that point? See, the line you know draw, then you will know that it is an uptrend, or there are chances that it will reverse from this place. See, already one time it gave, second time, third time, this was a big candle. So there are high chances that it will move up. So you should not take it for granted, even if you see this bullet. Got it? Yeah. So now you come here. See, the moment you see this, then by that time some news also came out that this when this candle is forming, right? See, everywhere when the news come out, okay, this such sort of big candles will form. Got it? When something is literally going very fast up, you wait, you don't enter, because imagine that you will think that it is going, so I have to enter, and if you are enter it for here, that day you can't clear it. See, it has not crossed that end. See this. So whenever it goes, correct. Whenever it goes like that, don't enter. You wait for it to cool down. If you see this is cooling, and it should be near body. Got it? Now it is making sense.
Okay.
Okay. So it is near the body. So it will, it is trying to move up, and it is not, nowhere it is in a mood to come down. 15-minute chart. So meanwhile, you will get a doubt what I should do till that time. That we can't stay watching, right? Like, so 12:30, you just cross check with your 5 minutes stock. 5 minutes, it will tell you clearly. See, the moment it went up, it came down. So we can't trust this. We can't trust this till we go here. Correct? So that is where I will enter. And that is what I have posted. Okay, 5 minutes candle, you follow and even see the volumes they will say. It has come up, but it has gone down also. People who has entered here, okay, they have came out looking at this.
Mhm.
Clear?
Yeah.
You are talking to me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Yeah. So this is like the moment people entered here in excitement, they came out here. So most of the time, you just should cross check that 5 minutes also for watching volumes. Then, since I don't know much about this talk, I didn't uh, I didn't think of waiting here. Okay, because I am just into this one. So I came out when based on my the moment I saw that this week I have decided that this one, if you see if you draw this line here in 5 minutes candle, okay, I have kept the stop loss at 13.8. Okay, it executed at 13.10 because it crossed that line while jumping. But that's okay. But see the next candle, it came exactly to that point.
So from which point you took position, ma'am?
See this point only. 89, I took. See this point. It in the
So
moment
on red candle
this
or
one.
green one?
This one
Green.
I took
Okay.
and I entered, exited here. So that is where my trade has, there is that yesterday's trade. If bar go, can you see this? 1289, 1310.
Hmm.
So this is the range where I have taken it.
89.
1289 is here. In 15 minutes candle, if you see, this is the point where I have taken by the time this once it here, and this is the place where I left. In 5 minutes candle, you can see that. Got it?
Mhm. So for bullish position, you'll follow 5 minutes or sometime 15 minutes.
No, nothing like that. See, this point, it is, if you see this 20 minutes, right? From so much time, it is between 186 and 189.
Mm-hmm.
So I kept it at 189. That means whenever it crosses, that I wanted that trade.
Okay. But at
Okay?
1289, it has just touched, right?
Correct. But
And
we can
before,
make out the movement with even this one, right? See? Where is that movement? What is that movement? See, what is that? It is 135, right? 135. Yeah. See, here it is crossing. Minute chart, if you follow. I'm not saying follow minute chart, but just to show you as an example. See? 135. It was like keep on moving and this jump came. So you will make out that moves with 3 minutes, lower time frame, right? You can make out. But don't go for too much lower time frame also because it will be too much stress. Even that 5 minutes is, I feel that it is not required. 15 minutes is fine. But just to cross check that, I will do that. Okay.
okay.
See, if you see this 135, right? Yeah, 135. This one here, this area. So it is not coming below this and it is always moving this area. We can make out that it is in the greens are big, reds are like little, and it is touching and coming again. It is see red. This one it couldn't go below this and it's again touched this one fly. So with these 4 candles, you can make out that it is an upward movement. Clear?
But it was touching it for the red candle also, no? So there also we could,
Yeah.
get.
See, here, right?
No, before that.
This one. This
No,
one.
before. Yeah, that one.
Yeah, you can enter anywhere. See, the moment, but here there was like, for me, that point it should stretch. See, whenever something is crossing that road or something like that, right? It will struggle there for some time. If I enter, I have to wait. What will happen to my money? It may cross or not. That mind, right? It will be there.
No, my
So,
question is, ma'am, like that red candle and after that second green candle,
mm,
you wait for closing it or you'll like in
yeah, I
initially
will
only
wait for closing it. See,
closing.
now 11:29, right? Exactly
Mm-hmm.
at the end of closing time, I will put that trade. Because sometimes,
Okay.
right, see, it will go just like this.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Okay. At my price, if it is not crossing almost, I will put the price.
Okay.
See, my point is waiting period can be more. That is fine. But after entering, your stay in that trade should be less.
Mm-hmm. Correct.
Got it? That is what I call happy.
Mm-hmm. I think some network issue. No, sir. She said like
Recording stopped.
uh, okay. Yes, I mean, she will wait for that green candle to close. Like if it's a in the both the candles, right, red and green, it was touching that line she drawn. But red, she'll wait for closing, and it should be a green one. So, yeah. Yeah, actually, it's not crossing, but later she shown 1 minute chart where it was, and next 1 minute it was going above that. I think because what I feel is like on the chart, it's easy to show, but when it's live, we cannot predict. That's what my feeling is. But if like the way I'm not sure about the Excel sheet she has shown. Based on that, I think ma'am has well.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, sorry. My I don't know. Then maybe this need to be merged or something. We'll see. So the point here is, see, if
I
I
think
wait,
need to learn some video editing also.
yes, that's where I just YouTube, right? Like I just want to spend more time. I wanted more time to be in my trading rather than all this. Yeah, fine.
Okay.
See, this one, it is like, this downtrend is there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I don't want this. Big red candles, I can't take it. What I will do, I will put more quantity and end my journey here rather than keeping less quantity and waiting till here.
Oh,
And also, you will be fast, right? it will move fast. Like see, in 15 minutes, everything is over. From the time this one candle is sufficient for me. Okay. This one candle. Yeah. And
Can we see red candle also, ma'am, in lower time frame?
lower time frame,
The next candle.
this one.
Okay, all are yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's what I told you, right? Once it moves up about that point, it will struggle here. See how much time it struggled. So till here also it struggled. Even till here also, see, you imagine I have exited here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 into 5. 55 minutes it struggled to cross this again. 1 hour. I didn't
Like,
feel
ma'am,
this
you
one.
are experienced one, so you exited on that one.
Hmm.
But as per me, I might have probably waited for that red candle to form because I'm not sure, like it
This
will
one, huh?
reverse from there.
No, sir,
Yeah.
that's what I'm telling you, right? See, if you see this line, correct?
Hmm.
This line, already it has formed clear bodies on 2 candles, big candles.
Yeah,
You
this is
draw
something
this
I
line.
learned from. Yeah.
This is what I'm saying. You have to draw this line. Then you will know
Okay.
that you have to keep your target here. You need not wait. Okay, even if you want to click it manually, by that time it might have come here by that time or here. You don't know. If you don't keep that target, right, it may come here, here, or something like that. Okay.
Okay.
Entry and target I will keep. Stop loss only I will not keep. See, because this line, this wick, something like this, if it forms, right, it has eaten away all my profits and it will hit this line and go away. That is why I won't prefer stop loss. But entry and exit, I will try to be clear. So
Okay.
what I'm saying is this can be, it could have been a shorting day for this. Okay, if you go, because looking at this bullet and this downtrend, and if you go, it might have been a shorting or an uptrend. So that is why you have to consider more factors, like this is a big candle, okay, and it has not come down below this point, and I have to check for first 15 minutes point, 15 minutes candle, then decide. After crossing this line, I have to decide, since it is nearing here, it can be a positive, something like that. You keep on analyzing each candle, it will have a different meaning. Okay. If you are in hurry, this much, see, if you have to enter, you have to enter here because it is a solid candle, no wick. Okay. And you might have exited here because this might have been a smooth journey. Because I will tell you why. Because whenever the candle is forming too big, you have to book your profit here or here somewhere. Because after that, if it has to cross, it will take this much time. See, till it has not crossed. So whenever candle is forming very big, you have to book your profits, especially when it is a forward or downward. Downward also no problem. Okay. You have to book. If you are doing shorting, if it is a big work, big forming down, you just book it. Okay. Correct. See, this big, if you might have booked here, see, when in 5 minutes candle, if you see, it might have gone till here. See, that is what I did here. 5 minutes candle, solid candle, and this target might left it. So even this here I might have entered. Okay. I might have exited here. Since I don't know about that point that time, I waited for pullback and I entered here, exited here. Got it? I came to know about this only here. So I played this game. Otherwise, if I might have seen this candle, I might have played this candle, not that one. Because this is tough journey compared to here. See, this is solid one green candle. Huh? Correct. Resistance support lines, candles, wicks, size of the candles and wicks. See, this candle won't tell you anything, correct? But this candle tells you something. And this wicks, this big green candle or big red candle will tell you something. See, this big red candle here will tell you that there will be a pullback.
Okay.
Okay.
So can't
This
we
red
try on that
candle will,
pullback, ma'am?
huh?
We can try the trade on pullback also, or you don't follow that?
See, anything. See, I should find out the trade, right? That right time. If I feel
Okay.
there are chances, I will do. If I feel there are no less chances, I will not do.
Okay.
Every trade is individual. So that is about one of my trades. Then
Okay. Maybe we can
what
go to
is the
next.
other one? Let's move on to next one because one only we have discussed.
Yeah.
What is the other one?
I think main topic is shorting. We took the bullish position this time. So
Correct,
probably we'll
correct.
shorting.
Yeah, okay, we will continue with bullish only. Then I will GRSC.
Okay.
Okay. Next is, where is that? Yeah, GRSC. See, on a daily chart, if you see,
Overall, it's downtrend.
yeah, full downtrend, full downtrend. Even here, if it came, I know that this is a fake green because after this much downtrend, at least one green will come in between. Okay,
Mm.
that one you keep in mind because nothing will go simply mainly just like this. Okay, unless if it has a follow-up candle or some hope, you don't think that it will go up. See, the moment many people got interested here and they might have entered here, from that time there it is a downfall only.
Correct.
Okay, especially when it is at that line. See, even that candles also will form very smartly. During that line only it will form. See, here it never it formed because here it formed. Got it? Because there is a history to it that it will change here, near to this place. Okay?
So
If you
normally
see this,
this
correct.
resist
It is exactly at that point Yeah. Uh, For this AI companion, can we pause it and record like something automatic recording is there, right? For this session. No, no. What I'm saying is this automatic recording, right? This one. Okay. Then I will just start with the disclaimer and then we will start. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, okay. 1 minute. Let me open the disclaimer notes. See, because of this one's right, like I will lose that flow and this one. We were in mid of something. Ah, yes, yes. Because I want to see that recording once again and then upload because I'm doing it if in public space, right? So I just don't want some disturbance. And okay, okay, yeah. Just one thought is like um I will share my screen. Okay, first.
I think Teams will not have this limitation.
Yes, yes. But that is also a paid version that will not have limitation.
Oh, okay.
Anything, right? People are know how to make their money.
Correct.
Yeah. So before starting the recording, we will clear your doubt, Selva. Doubts session we will complete. Okay. One is Sunil. You wanted that some thing TVS motor, right? TVS motor. I will
Ah,
correct that. Okay. See, TVS motor, for me, one small confusion happened. Okay. See, this line is there, right? This candle. This candle.
right.
See, what happened? My mouse is not burning. This one, it has to cross this line and close above that. Then it is like a good uptrend. It has not closed above that. That is a different thing. You are getting my box, right?
Right, right. That area is should cross.
So something it is forming. Yeah.
No, but I think I had asked for that reverse bullet.
Yeah, yeah. Got it, got it. I will tell you. Okay. This is the box. It has to close above that box. Otherwise, it will be in sideways only. Okay. So that today what I have seen, market hours before closing only, I see it was here. Means I felt that it is going down. Means touching this and that candle has formed. Okay. This
Correct.
one. Because of my mouse and that timing, I saw that the red candle was formed till here. But what happened after market hours, it shifted to here
Right.
that week. So that day, that only, even if you asked the second day also, this was there in my mind. So I told after this much big red, some black, some up move will be there. That's what I told, and that's where the confusion came. Okay. Yeah. And
Okay.
one thing what I learned from here is we should decide only after 340 that candle size because 2 3 stocks I have seen like this. After this one, it will change the color means size of the candle, color of the candle, wick, something like that. Even recently, one more candle I have seen. I think it is. Uh,
And ma'am, this this support and resistance over a rectangle, what we draw that
uh,
area,
uh.
we'll draw based on the main body, or it's can be considered that weak also.
No, no. It's better you consider that wick as well. Okay. Always. to be on a safer side, you have to consider till here. Okay.
Okay.
Till that time, I will consider this as sideways only. Generally, when it crosses the body, it will go. But to be on a safer side, at least once, even with a wick, if it is covering that part, it will be good.
Okay. So, like if any candle, like if it's bullish or bearish here, if
Ah,
it's coming out of this area, then we can take the position, right?
correct. Correct. Till that
Mm.
only it will confirm. See, even if you see this weekly chart, see, generally it should be bullish only. See this. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now if the moment it crosses this box, it is good.
Okay.
Okay. So like that, you have to make your patterns. See, it was in downtrend. This candle we can't believe because it is smaller than this and which is an engulfing. The moment you see this, you know that one more candle at least it can go. Okay. See this one candle how it went. And even these two candles, it is within this body engulfing. If it is come below this, there is a downtrend. If it goes above this, there is an uptrend.
Okay.
Got it? So entirely from this box, you can make out it will be there where it will go. And sorry for that misconception because I thought that this was candle till here. After market hour, I think at 9:35 or 38, I posted. At 9, what 30 or 3:38 or 3:35, I posted, and it is like after 40, it suddenly shifted this to this like this. Okay, correct. That day. That is where when you asked also, when it went up right morning, you asked, Madam, it is going bullish. Can I take position here? But I was thinking it is like one small candle may be forming somewhere here because this is still here. So somewhere here the candle may be forming. Then later I realized that this has formed this big wick here. That is where after 340 we have to decide that is better. 345 if we decide that is better.
No, ma'am,
Proper candle will be there.
I had asked for shorting position. If we
Yes,
can
yes,
go on
starting
15
position.
minutes.
That is where starting position. Another question you asked. If I remember two questions you have asked.
Shorting
One is
for
regarding
15
TVS
minutes.
Motors, and another regarding this Marico.
Marico was, I think, by position or sell only. I think I asked for shorting only mainly.
Yeah, Marico, you asked for shorting.
Even TVS also, I asked for shorting on
Correct.
18th.
Ah. So Marico, if you see 15 minutes candle, it has come. But after that, it never went below this because entire candle it has engulfed. At least you should wait for that one solid red candle. That see now it was everything in this range only. So after this, tomorrow in 15 minutes candle, if it forms some good signal, then you can do shorting here. See, on daily. But one thing is, it has less scope. See, if you see this, it is forming a cup pattern.
Mhm.
Correct? And most of the times it is forming wicks. This one's right, you better avoid it because it will not be good. I don't do this. I want some solid candles.
Okay.
Okay, which will clearly tell you the trend. Yes, it is down. Yes, it is up. Where you can do. See now this how it is so bad. What money you can make here? You don't know which direction it will go. and every thing is squeezed in first candle and last candle. Correct?
Right.
So I don't like this candle. That's where I told you, you have to understand that candle logic.
Mm. Okay.
The moment you see this day candle, you know it, right? It are wicks and it's an up pattern.
No,
Cup pattern.
while asking this TVS and Marico, no, I did not consider this support or resistance and this other
Ah.
things.
Yeah, that is where
I,
you need to first, I will tell you this in shorting recording, that is fine. Yeah, but here you understood it, right?
yeah, right. Now I understand because it's in somewhere in middle.
Huh.
We cannot,
And it is at the resistance, see? So it will struggle here, but most chances are it will go up. But that will take a lot of time. See, even weekly candles are not good. So don't consider this. See, even it formed a bullish in this one. But I don't prefer this for any shorting or this one. Trading. This is not my type of stock. That is what I'm trying to tell you.
correct.
It may go up, but I don't like this stock. The way it is forming candles, it is not for my mindset. Yeah. So TVS Motors, you understood, right? Why I told you that?
Right.
Yeah. And see, that's where in market hours, right, mind will not work. I will be in my own this one. Next, Selva, you wanted some stocks, right?
In this TVS motor only, ma'am, like,
Yeah. Yeah, Sunil, you are not done.
yeah, ma'am. So here, if when let's say if it's goes upward, just assumption.
Hmm.
So to understand how to take position for the buy, like let's say it's crossed that area from in the upward side. So
Huh.
when is the right position, right time to take entry?
Okay. See, imagine that you have crossed that position and something, this sort of candle is forming. Okay.
Right.
Just go to this 1st December. We'll see 15 minutes chart. See, 15 minutes chart. Have you
Yeah,
seen 15th? Everything has come in first candle only.
correct.
That time you should wait for pullback. Where is the pullback? This one, it is much bigger than this, much smaller than this. So if you see, none of these candles are giving you a clear signal. This gave you clear signal that it will still go up. Correct? And if you see this even this gave you, it will go up still.
Correct.
Because here is a wick, here is a candle. But you cannot be very clear that it will go very much up. So you should not take long. Then you see this. Solid it came. 9:15 next day. So that is where here you can't do either shorting or long. Got it? Because first candle and last candle are not clear.
Okay.
That is where I will always tell, even if it is very clear, you just wait till for the clear signals because any day can turn like anything.
Correct.
See this? This line it crossed. So one candle or something you may drive, or at least till one green candle you see, you may drive this one. See, this is at 9:15. You saw solid this one. But you may again see some pattern which we have seen earlier, like moving like this, like this. So this candle, when it cut short, this line, that means it will go down. At least 1 15 minutes candle you can ride, or till you see the green you can ride. See, otherwise it will this one. And see, the moment it crosses this line, how fast it will move. One candle. at least.
Mhm.
And even this one, it is engulfing, and this one. Okay. For my happy path, I will exit here because I won't continue till here. I don't mind. See, if you draw the line also, it will come here. See where it struggled.
Mhm. Correct.
Got it? Correct. So even if I know that this candle, it will touch. So I will exit here, or max, I will exit here. I will not have this ride. I don't like this ride.
So support and resistance, knowing that area is very important.
Very important. Okay. Any
Yeah.
other doubt?
No, it's clear. I think Selva has a question he can ask.
Yeah, Selva. Yeah. In daily, yeah. Yeah. See, if you see this chart, you have drawn this one line, huh? That one, if it closes below this line, it might have been a downtrend. Okay. If it closes above this line, you can expect uptrend. But there should be one line which you again have to draw here. Most common area. This one. Uh, Again, if you close above that, then you see this. Got it? Now, correct. If it, yes, it has closed above resistance. See, and also this is one bullet, correct? This one green, everything was in this red, and these two candles, it form a bullet, upward movement. So there are chances that it will move till here. See, that's what I told you, right? Then last 15 minutes candles, right? It is confusing me still. Without forming, I am deciding that it will be that candle. So if you see this, okay, somewhere it is confusing me. So I am not very fond of these confusions. See, it came here, 350. So that was very confusing for me. So that's where you should not decide the candles. Whatever is there, you should read. You should not assume. Don't predict candles. That is where anybody, if anyone says you are predicting, it is my mistake. But actually, we have to analyze it. I will say I am analyzing candles. I will not say I am predicting candles. Correct. So that's how I'm analyzing. See, if you see this, I will get that confusion also, I will tell you. Can you see this? See, this one, it closed below this. And see next day how it went. Very clear, right? So that is all you should be careful. That is where in order to avoid this, I will sometimes miss some things like this. But the best thing is you should confirm the candle. The worst part is last 15 minutes candle, right? It will form after market hours. So you should be very careful when you are doing. That is where I am not even good at swing. Sometimes I feel because the last candle I am not able to guess or assume because that will not form. Correct? That will not form. So we have to assume and take a decision. So that part I'm still struggling, but I will one day I will find a way for that. Yeah. Okay. Any other doubt? Volumes, actually, I'm not bit fond of volumes. I will just play with that candles. But volume C, it is good only. In that case, you have to see it in the trading view with this Lakshmi Mata, something is there, right? That one you can say, Luma. See, pivot pockets found. Yeah, it may be good. Oh, that is why I told you, right? Like, it's okay, wait, something like that. See, even if it crossed guppy and pivot pockets, it will be good. See, what is happening is I am trying to do without any indicators because I am training my brain. Because tomorrow, if somebody says pay for this, pay for that, I am not ready to do that. Okay. I am trying to do with my own naked eye and candles. And even maybe I will take the help of that gamma that is free indicator is there, right? That one I will take. See, even if you see, take that gamma, it will tell you. Wait. See, it is also telling you the same thing. It has crossed all that guppies. Correct. Try to use the free indicators so that you will be safe. I should train my brain, so I am training my brain because it is in the beginning. Now only I will listen. After getting experience, right, I will override. Mm. Yeah, see, there are chances that it will go high. See, if it is like a rocket shooter, it is forming. That is how people will identify it. See? Yes. Okay. See, it is forming a bullet and it's this shooter. The moment it crosses this, it will be still better, 224. And it closes there. Yes. So that's where we need to decide that points, right? This is something like that. Yeah. Day. Yes, yes, that is what I was seeing, right? Yeah, this body. Body is means close, 202. Close is that one only. Low. What is this? Closing point? Closing point 202. High is 227. That body high, it has to close, not weak. Yeah, but anyway, there is no much difference, I guess. See, low and close are almost same. 202. Ah, 24, correct. See? Yeah. So, see, whatever I suggest, right? You just think that I am a short-term trader and I will concentrate more on short-term benefits. See, tomorrow I want to do work like I have not seen tomorrow. Today only I will close my business. I will sleep peacefully. That's all. Yeah, it is coming a cup pattern. There are chances that it will move up. Monthly chart also it is good. Weekly chart also it is nice. Daily chart also it is nice. Yeah. See, weekly, yeah. Big bullet maybe. It's already a bullet. Okay. Yes. But see, if you see this monthly, the golden period already profit somebody has entered here already. With the moment you see this candle, people here only they can make out that shooter format. You see? And the moment they see this, they will enter. Correct. No, no, they will see this. See? That's how they will enter, and that's how they will make profits long term, guys. So if you see this weekly, you can clear. Here you can enter. Nice bullet. Small dash. And it was in the, see, that's where I will tell. Whenever something is touching edge and it is struggling, there are chances that it may move up. See, 3 weeks it struggled and it was clear this week. After that, see the move. Again, 4 weeks it did nothing. Again, see, the moment it closed above, the chances that it will go up. Even if see this daily, everything came inside this candle only, small, sudden shoot up. That is where when this forms, they will not come back. And people like me, like I came back in Sanduma, right? Like that, they will come back like this. Yeah. See, that is how you need to make that line. Small, and that is where you need to compare the size of the candles. This is solid. That is small things it is forming. Yeah. Oh my. Then, hey, silver bees in Appu, man. No, I entered also, right? I told you, na 181. The moment see, I avoided this. Okay, and again I entered here. Because I saw that up move because it has crossed that cup pattern. That's what I'm saying. That is where I was waiting when it will pull back. The moment it formed a big red here, I entered.
Maybe one session, ma'am, on only support and resistance. How to do it.
I am only learning. But yeah,
No,
see,
means
yeah.
for us, you're still an expert now.
Yeah, if you feel that I can do it somewhat good, then we can do it. Yeah. Yeah. And also, whatever I do, right, I will do it with passion. It's not like I'm doing with some, I wanted that money or I wanted some to guess a predictive something. No, with some logic, I'm thinking. That is how I'm able to escape even narrow things. Yeah. Yeah. Any other doubt? Silver beef, it will go up, man. See, as long as it don't form, okay, very solid candle like this, okay. You see this, even when it goes down, it will give you a solid hint. Okay, see, even it came here, okay, but it was like what you say, it was in the very beginning, and people might have exited here. But after seeing these two, they might have entered again, this one. Okay, but here you see, it is a very clear hint. This tried to touch and this came down. If you see it in weekly, where is my weekly? See, it crossed this. That is why it is important in daily that it will cross. Why I exited? Because of this, these things. Sometimes we will lose, but my main agenda is not to lose the capital because I have limited capital, very limited capital. Yes. See, and main point is as long as it doesn't give a solid signal like this in silver, don't exit. Or in weekly, if it forms a small something like this or this, you can start keeping stop loss. Something like this, if you see, starts keeping stop loss in weekly. See, and one more thing is, if you see this candle, whenever this candle forms, right, there are chances that the trend will continue, even if it is a downtrend or uptrend. I don't care. Yes, most of the places it will continue. And one main point is if GRSE, if you see on daily chat, if you see this, one thing what you need to do is you need to enter here, because after such a downtrend and also one fake green candle has formed, another has formed. So next time, see this plus signal, it has continued downtrend. So after giving solid 2-3 times, most of the chances are that it will move little bit up here. And that too, that is at the line, right? Everybody was telling that. See this line. Yeah, this part. When it forms a weekly, see, it has touched this. Exactly. And this daily, you see this? It has gone little bit down. So there are chances that from here it will give, even if it is going down, again it will just cross this and come down. Got it? It will give you an impression that it is going up and it will come down, or it may go continuous. But based on that day candle only, we should decide. If you see this downtrend, see how big candle it has formed in monthly. If this persists, right, it will go down only. That is my thing. As long as it doesn't cross this. It is in downtrend only, or it is in sideways only. So yes. Um, that is why people will say check with the monthly candles, weekly candles, then identify the trend. See, this has at this. Now it may move little bit up and then they will go down. So people will say, I have identified the trend. They have not identified the trend. They are thinking that they are identified the trend. Okay. We're looking at this. What do you think? Downtrend will continue or uptrend will continue? Yes. See, the most of the time, right, after this much red candle, there are chances that trend will continue maybe till here or something like that. We don't know. So that is what I am thinking. But since I don't want to predict candles like already I'm getting ashed, right? So I don't want to do that. Yeah. So you see, it may go till 1800 range. That is what people are guessing. If this not able to sustain next week, it will go to here. That is where when you are playing with GRSE, be very careful. You should be very clear with the candle knowledge. No, you should not dump. See, I will tell you how I escaped this. See, GRSE, somebody posted, right? Not this one. See, this one. When I posted, everybody said, how come you can do it shorting here? But I did it because I know that candle, how it moves. And you should do it in the mid of the day, not like end of the day. End of the day, you can't predict. See, this place, I did it. Reverse bullet, and this is a wick. So after this, definitely this candle will not form. That much I am sure. Okay, after this will not form. Yes. During that time, I can make encash it. So that is where I just rided this and got out. One candle. Because there is already a lot of downtrend and that line is there, which we have to do. See, what is the point? I will tell you. Entry 2179 and exit 2189. See, correct. 2189. See, I saw 2189. I sold it here. I think I bought it here. 2179 here. This candle. Okay. I know that after this sort of candles, this will definitely not form. Then they will say how you have but the moment I saw this candle, right? I know that it will go up also. But by that with this the thing, right? I don't want to take risk. See, when it comes solidly, especially this one, at least one candle it will move. See this plus, correct? Exactly, you have to enter, do one candle and get out. You enter here, follow 5 minutes. Okay, see this 12. Yeah, I'm telling many tricks. Huh? No, no, I am saying I am telling tricks, but I have not recorded, I guess. See, we forgot. Yeah, we entered into doubt session and we went 12:15, right? 12:15 on 18th December. Okay. 9:15. See this? See this downtrend you can make out. 12:15, right? Where is this? 18th December only, right? 18th December, 12:15. See, it will move up. That is where that plus symbol, correct? That plus symbol it has formed. Now you know that it will move up. This one candle. See, 12:30. Got it? And as long after this, you can exit here. Or see, after if you exit here, even the other two candles body also couldn't cover. That is where you have to, you know where to exit at the wick. And how you exit at the wick, I will tell you. See this? Got it? Even this body, it will form here. Correct? That is where you have to exit. Correct. Got, yeah. Ah, correct. I don't care if it is forming down or up. For me, that point matters, candle matters, wick matters. That's all. See, after seeing this solid bullet and move up, definitely I know that this will move up. And also cup 60%. See how many confirmations are there? Cup 60%, bullet, and it is trying to move up. This is not sufficient for your ride. Correct? So that's where you need to mix points. See, but the same time, you guys asked me to post my trades. The moment I am posting my trades, right? There are so many questions in that knowledge share group, or I am getting so many questions, or when I'm posting, I'm missing some trades. So I thought I will not do that. And because see, I am also now only I'm starting. Like, you know, I'm also very fresh, but I'm just trying to share my knowledge. The experience, not even knowledge. Huh? Policy Bazaar, I told you, right? A day before was the right entry. See, now it is in, see, this one down, down, and this green has formed bigger than this. So one candle you can expect, especially only in this scenario, not all cases, because there is only this straight, it is trying to move up. One solid, then it is trying to move up. So second, any place, many places you see that 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be the combination. In such cases, it is tried to be in box. You came down, one solid candle. One, this is first candle, second candle. First two candles red, second two candles green. That will be another combination. See, that's where I'm saying, right? Looking at these candles, I'm got to so much used to it that you can't, people who has not seen it, they may not be able to understand what I'm trying to tell. Correct. That is where I don't want even that bigger sessions. See, the moment it crosses this, it will be a good point. See, see, this point you will come to know. 1945 actually. But by that time also, lot of good move has gone. See, this is cup. This move. That's how people will identify the trends. See, this is one cup, another cup, double cup. See, this has given an impression. See, because of this wicks, you see, if anybody has kept shorting or something, how it will go. If this set wick of this one, that is why you should wait. Even if something is falling, you should be waiting how it is. Unless there is a very big trigger or something, it will go down and form some solid candle like this. Got it? Otherwise, 80%, 90% of the times the candle will become again normal if something is falling very fast. That exceptions you should remember. Yes. And daily also you see how much this solid candle and solid candle. This doesn't look like wick, but it is a wick in the weekly candle. See, it has covered this position. That is why for swing, right, you have to look at the daily. Okay. Sorry, I didn't get you. Hmm. Actually, I'm not thinking of taking any short or mid-term positions. I have some solid proof plan, like shorting or trading daytime. Yourself, you decide when. How can I decide it for you? But yeah, this one is let support line. You decide it based on that. Okay, this line you draw and you decide it. But I see that maybe one more, it will touch this line definitely. Mostly there are chances that it will at least touch this line, 1923. Okay, based on that you can play. What I am saying is mostly it will touch this 921 or 923 or some whatever this resistance, 929. That line it will touch, even if it is looking at this, it will definitely touch that. It will try to form one small green or that, but it will definitely touch this or cross this or something or form a wick, but it will cross through this point, touch this point at least. That one I can say. But looking at weekly, it seems it will form a very bullish, it is trying to form. See, now this has come, right? Tomorrow it may form something candle like this here again. To touch that point. You got it? That, or it may cross properly, because whenever the wick is big, right? Move will be more. That one you have to remember. How big this is, most of the time, that much big it will cross. Correct. If you see this GRSE daily, see this wick, how much, that much it has formed the body. And actually, this turns to be a good one. Like it will form like this, like a hara, like necklace. Like glim. 1 minute, I will show you something very beautiful. Glenmark or something. Glenmark. If you see 15 minutes, see. Somebody who caught this right, I got it very late. I might have entered here and traveled till here. See this point, if you see, a resistance point will never cheat me. Okay? Yeah. Even 5 minutes, see, it is going for 15 minutes, it is almost like a necklace. I loved it. Mm. See, and also one thing you see, it is like 9:15 candle. Have you seen this? If everything goes in this, you imagine that mainly it may come till that point, it will go down and come till that point. Everything is covered this candle only, right? Most of the time it moved in that candle only. So, especially when it is here, you can easily make out that it will go till here. So that is where I will say the first 15 minutes candle is very important. And since if this has formed this big, most of the time it will be the range of the day. Yeah. Hey, it's 12:30, ma. We just didn't realize. Yeah. So I am already done.
It's 12:30, man, not 1:30. 12:30.
See, I think we started at 11. Maybe some 10-15 minutes disturbance was there, but we continued for 1 hour, 15 minutes, 20 minutes, something like that. Yeah. What is that previous stock? I don't remember. That is not previous chart. Yeah. See, this has formed a very bullish candle on last 15 minutes. Anyway, we'll go here. Okay, Yamtar Tech on monthly chart. It is forming a very red candle. See, if you see this, it has come to something like a no, hara necklace. Okay, then it is forming like this. Okay, as long as it don't come below this wick or something on a monthly, this one, it should be, see, now it is mid of the month, right? So it may turn green also. Let us see weekly. Yeah, it might turn, there are chances that it might see that plus symbol. Have you seen? So since it is uptrend and this is, it may turn like this. It may turn like, correct. But that is full trend. See, here there is so much uptrend supported. Where I told GRSC, right? That will go on 3 months now. You remember? See, daily chart. If you see this is supported by downtrend. Okay? That's where downtrend is continuing. But after 2-3 hiccups, it may pick back. Now, what I'm seeing that it may go like this. Or this may be a fake signal and it may just give an impression and it will come back. That is where I will decide based on candle to candle rather than looking for long term. Now, what your doubt is MTharTech. That and this difference you found. So, yeah, see this one. Either it may come touch here and then start moving, or from here, like lower, here it is lower, then it will come like this. It may start. See, if anything will be in that range only. See, what they are saying is almost downtrend is over. Maybe it will pick up from here. That is what they are trying to say. See. It may come till this line and go. But as of now, there is no clear trend till weekly or daily or monthly. It is undecisive. See, I will not enter unless something candle like this. See, it confirms you the uptrend. Yeah. Okay. That is what the chart is saying, that it may pick up from here. Why they are expecting here is, see, this is one line here. Here, this thought. It has touched that, right? So they are, and also formed a plus. So they are expecting that it will go up. Yeah. Yeah. See, you guys are asking doubts, right? So I thought I will clear that, but my sorting video left record. Yeah.
That's fine. Whenever you have again time, maybe you can take that.
Yes, yes. Yeah, because see, I wanted to at least upload one video per week. So that, people will start growing along with me. I am not saying I will, they will learn from me. They may grow along with me. That is the concept. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. That shorting, right? Like whenever I have time, at least 1 hour, one person join also, no problem. I will just start recording and I will do my session. Okay. Yes, sir. At least one of you join, that is fine.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.